Hello, my name is Michael Samlal from Thompson BMW in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. I'm the lead technician of the Thompson Performance Group. Today we have a 2018 BMW M2 that we will be installing a carbon stage 2 kit on it, which includes a software upgrade, a front mount intercooler, and the customer has elected to upgrade his charge pipe. With the upgraded CSF intercooler, you'll be looking at increased volume of air and cooler air temperatures, which also helps with boost. Due to the increase of boost, the customer has elected to upgrade to a metal charge pipe as opposed to the plastic charge pipes, which are known to fail. After I installed all the aftermarket parts, I also like to perform a leak test on the vehicle using a smoke machine just to make sure there's no leaks and everything's fitted correctly. With the carbon software upgrade, you'll be looking at a 55 horsepower increase and a 104 foot-pounds of torque increase. After installing the carbon software, I like to take the vehicle on a 3-mile test drive just to make sure everything's functioning as designed.